Okay, this is how you make chicken, and we ship them out to supermarkets. First, you throw your food into a trap. Now that you have all the food in your trap, hide behind something and wait for the chicken. There we go. Now that you have trapped the chicken, now, here, bring it away. Place the chicken into the defeatherizer. Get in. Now, bring the chicken into the oven to cook up your chicken. And once the chicken is done cooking, you can put it in your box and send it out for shipping. I said send it out for shipping. Yeah?
Do you know where my son went?
I think I might. Here, let me just... Here, this will help you find out where your son is. Let me just... Oh,
No!
Now push it in. Gotcha. Anyway, back to the chicken. So, you bring it over to its shipping port, which is actually over here where the cargo ship is. And so ship it over to the port. And final step, put the chicken in the box and give it to the cargo.
Hey! I saw the things you've done to my family.
No!
Now you will pay the price.
No!
And this is going away.
Oh gosh!
And you
I need to eat it before.